Okay, this is the picture of Job's brain that we obtained from the MRI scan. And on here, I have uploaded the green line, which we created from the fMRI scan data, which you can see in the previous video. And this green line outlines where V4 is. So when I color in to label V4, I color in next to the green line, and I have to color the gray, not the black, because the gray area is the cell neuron bodies, which is where the actual region is, and that's where we want to label. So I'm going to zoom in. Okay. You can see that green line, and I'm going to color in. So when I color in, I press the middle button on here to scroll, the scroll button, and I outline where it should be. And you can't see what I'm doing, what label I'm creating when I outline on this screen, but you can see it on this one. And this is the auxiliary volume, and on the auxiliary volume, that's the place I'm editing. So I'm not actually coloring the MRI data. I'm creating a separate file where I color and create this label that we later change into DTI space, which we'll see later on in the website. So I'm outlining here, and you can see what I've done in the auxiliary volume. Okay, and I'm just going to color it. Okay, so this is just one of the many slices on this part of the brain for Job that I have labeled. And you can see this green line that outlines V4 shows how V4 changes throughout Job's brain. These pictures go from the front towards the back of his brain. And so you can see this green line which shows the V4. And this is what I colored in, which shows the V4. And it shows how it changes over time. So that's V4. This data, you can see on the website, will later be changed into DTI, which I talk about later on.